Welcome to our winter construction update, the 354 construction update, where we're here with Michael Carocci, the Head of Construction for BuildTech, to give us a fly around the target and update exactly where we're up to. Thanks, Mick, for making time today. As you're sitting on our couch in our display centre, which we've just built.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Which is able to give people a view of what you're building. Tell us maybe a bit about what we're sitting in to start with. This is a replica of...
This is an example of an on the Park East apartment. It's one of the O1 apartments. It's got the central living area with the bedrooms on either side, with the kitchen behind. Lovely layout, as you can see, possibly from what you can capture. The layout of these apartments is it's just designed for a lovely lifestyle.
So it's a good opportunity to ask you then, where is On the Park up to? And where's the other buildings up to? Give us your normal fly around the target and give us a snapshot of where things are up to.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, On the Lane is the most advanced. The roof is on. We're watertight. We're lining. Plasterboard linings are up to 80% at this moment. Tiling contractors start next week. Joinery is in manufacture. Shower screens are being measured, and that building there's well and truly on target.
Great.
On the Park East, going really well. Structure, a lot of structure to go up there. We're up to level 4. Got another 5 levels to go. And on 5th also structure. So it's all concrete floors and walls, and just getting those buildings up as quick as possible. The windows are starting to go in as we put the structures up. So as we go up, we'll get them watertight and we'll commence the internal fit out as the building's reaching for the sky.
So given they're all different construction elements, which is different construction teams, how many people have you got on site now?
Yeah, it's good. The number of contractors on site is swelling. It goes between 70 and 90 at the moment. Yeah, depending on if we have a concrete pour. But as more fit-out contractors come to the project, we'll be over 100 soon. So the momentum's great. The vibe on site is fantastic.
Mick, when will the site completely have a slab on the ground floor?
Yeah, another really exciting part of the project, Ben. That 10,000 square metres underground, that enormous basement. We have just got the last section of ground floor concrete to form up and pour. We're going to do that in two parts. First part will be done in the next 2 weeks. The next part will be done 3 weeks after that. Then the entire basement's capped.
So Mick, the big question is, when will our purchasers and potential purchasers, we've still got a handful of apartments left, when will they be in the respective buildings?
Okay, On the Lane, definitely on track for this year. Purchasers will be having Christmas lunch in their new apartment in On the Lane. On the Park East and on 5th, they're both on a similar program. They are on track for a target completion of March next year.
Great.
And look, unless any more extreme weather comes, there's no reason why that won't be happening.
That's good news. Thanks, Mick, for your time. I think that gives us a very informative update on where construction's up, and we'll grab you in a month's time.